got to keep pulling forward as you wiggle. There, it's better. Get them lows fixed so it's nice and flat. Okay, whenever you start pulling sucks-ons, you're fighting each other. You got little cobbies right up here along his head. Get his front. Keep pulling in. Don't take that coil off. You want him to pull it in. That forces it in. Leave that roll.